In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Run tool to schedule a DataSync project. To begin, open DataSync and go to Tools, open Run tool. Then go to File, Import and browse for the DataSync project you wish to connect to. In this example, we are connecting to two projects that we want to run one after the other. Once these have been imported, run the tool to check that everything runs as expected. As we can see, the first project has run and completed successfully, and if we go to the Logs tab, we can see that our second project is running and has now completed. If we now open Event Viewer and go to Windows Logs, Application, we can see that the various events coming from DataSync as the Run tool was running. We now need to save our Run tool project. Press Save and choose the destination folder. Now we can create our schedule. Go to Tools, Create Scheduled Task. This opens the Scheduled Task window. Change any of the details you require and then press OK. To check that this is scheduled correctly, we can open Task Scheduler. If we go to the Task Scheduler library, we can then see that our Run tool project is set to run for the parameters we defined.